without repetition, I would like to focus certain things. You see, in this campus, full of police officers are spotted. And Andhra Pradesh Civil Liberties Committee has been associated with this university for 30 years. More than a dozen of times we went for the dialogues with the registrar and vice chancellor. During that time, no police officers were sitting along with us. It is quite unfortunate today the undemocratic nature of Professor Sunaina Singh demonstrated pretty well. She wanted to run the university with the help of the police officers in the campus. There is no need for the police to interfere. When we were talking with the administration, we are all professors, responsible persons, representing the mass organizations, talking to the officers, not with the police officers. We were talking to administration very much, but police interfered. Police plenty of time interfered. When Vedakumar said, if we are not going to resolve the issue, it goes beyond our control. That is the fact, he said. The police officer took in a sense, you are threatening us. That is the attitude of the police officers and the administration who deployed the police officers between the person sitting the other side and persons sitting in the administration position. This shows that they are not in a position to resolve the problem. As long as they take it, the notion of internal, all issues are internal. I don't understand. Plenty of times, time and again, Professor Sunaina Singh says, when we went for a dialogue, Professor Kodandram, myself, on a issue relating to workers and staff, when we went to her to talk, she says, this is my family, all problems are internal problems. I don't understand. That is the level of their social perspective. It can't be a family. It can't be a family of one person. It can't be a problem of only internal. It is pervading. It is social issue. A woman issue is not a particular woman issue. It is the entire lot of woman issue. A university issue pertaining to the students is not a issue of only this family and only this IFLU university. It is the issue of entire student lot in the Telangana. Entire Telangana is looking. Professor Sunaina Singh may be under the impression that it can be, all the problems can be resolved with these police officers. But she has to realize police can never resolve the issue. It is only the democratic process only will resolve the issues. It is the civil society sitting all here. They intervene and they resolve. We have come here not to further aggravate the issue. We have come here to strengthen the hands of the administration. They should realize. We have come here to save the lives of the students. They should realize. We don't have any other interest after all. We have come, in fact, to strengthen that. They should realize. It shows that, you see, they have followed a process, they say. They have followed a process which is full of flaws. Again, when they were insisting us to give a letter in the beginning, we were not interested in giving a letter. After all, I have intervened in this university. I have opened dialogue with this administration plenty of times. About 30 times I intervened, and orally, when I appealed, they resolve the issues. No, after all, sensitive people must be there. Now, Sunaina Singh is insensitive vice chancellor, I tell you. She doesn't take, when we said, we are appealing you orally. The place, in our place we were sitting, we said, we will not give in writing. But they insisted, we step down. They stepped, we come down. And they said, we will give a letter. We insisted them that, resolve it immediately today. No question of tomorrow. It should be resolved today because life of the students are involved. They said, one professor, lady professor said, again that letter, no, we have to keep in mind, again that letter she says, it has to go to that framework of that entire process. The committee which has taken a decision to rusticate, it has to go to that committee. And ultimately, it has to be ratified by but all that executive committee and all that. No, we never go by that all that process. The decision taken by that process, that authority is undemocratic. Therefore, it should be with immediate effect that it should be revoked. From the date of order of that memo, that it should be. It is possible when Professor Sunaina Singh is thinks about the future of the students. It's not a big issue to resolve. The small glass is broken. There is a law says the extent of crime, if it is a crime, the amount of punishment, both together should match. A small crime, capital punishment is awarded to 3 students in the campus. Very abhorrent. Therefore, the undemocratic decision has to be immediately, with that date, it should be revoked. I tell you, I draw attention of all the students and mass organizations. Till it is revoked. It's not that easy. I know the nature and functioning of Professor Sunaina. It's not that easy. I appeal all students and organizations that we must. It is only through struggle that we will get resolution of this. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Prashant from HCU to propose future program. Oral future program. సార్ కొంచెం మీరు దూరం పోరాదండి సరే అనుకోండి కొంచెం దయచేసి పోలీసు వాళ్ళు కొంచెం దూరం పోవాలి అన్న ప్లీజ్ ఇంటర్నల్ మీటింగ్ అన్న ఇది దిస్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇంటర్నల్ మీటింగ్ కొంచెం
Please. Dear friends, today stands the most shameful day in the history of any Indian university because, as Professor Sujata Surapalli was saying, that if we break a glass, if we get rusticated, then